Oh my God. No.
No way. These people are faking. It is not hard to not burp while drinking Sprite. Here we go. Oh crap. I'm scared to talk because it might. Starting to sweat. Yes, it almost came out. It almost came out and I defeated it. I think I got the rest of this. Look, we're about halfway done. It almost came out. Okay, I swear, I've drinking more than them already, right?